What's up, guys, and welcome to this is like episode 3, I want to say, of this music's distracting me. I'm listening to Satisfactory music nonstop. We are doing jump stuff, right? Like, we need jump keys and we needed a lot of them, so I went ahead and took the liberty to make 100 jump keys, so that means this game now has support for up to 100 levels. This is the player control, that's how you load it. I had to create 100 booleans, and then 100 properties for the boolean. So I couldn't really use an array because then if I use an array, then I can't really do this. Can you really use get and set properties with the array? Or maybe I can, but I don't know. I couldn't figure out any other way to do it off the top of my head, and I just don't have the rest of my life to work on this. But over here, made enumeration 100 over here, and then we had to switch the case for the jump key 100 times. And the player data needed its 100 booleans over here, and then when we save the player data, we had to match all of these booleans over here. And does this actually work? No, that's what this video is about. We're going to test most of this. So this is range 0 to 100 now. That might need to be 101 actually. We'll find out. We'll find out really soon. This is something else I was working on. So, how in the heck do you test this? So we know it will save. Obviously, it saves booleans over here. So how do you test this? Okay, well, I've made in the testing area 100 prefabs, all with different. They're just prefab variations of one another. There's a hitbox there. So there, over here are 100 sparkling jump keys. Oh, okay. So what we're testing is when we grab these jump keys, do they save as the appropriate jump key? Does it flip the correct boolean? Okay. First, I want to check, make sure this should be 10 through 19, 20 through 29. Yeah, it's looking good. 40 through 49, 50 through 59, 60 through 69, 70 through 79, 80 through 89, 90 through 99. It looks good. Now we have our a bazillion booleans, and oh boy, they are not serialized. Oh no. They're not serialized, so I will not be able to tell immediately. Wouldn't that, it would have been at the bottom, right? What is this thrust and strafe vector jump key count? Yeah, they are not serialized. I mean, if I serialized it, obviously, it's going to be a mess. It is going to make an absolute mess of my player controller, but if I don't serialize it, I can't fucking check. I can't check it if I don't serialize it. So we're gonna need to copy and paste serialize field 100 times. And that's okay. I might fast forward through this because it's not exactly entertaining. Alright. Now that that's done. Alright, boot it back up. I should be able to see everything in the inspector and manually validate that these things are saving and returning as what they're supposed to. And we should have a huge mess in our player controller. Yes, there is a massive mess. Okay, just the way I like to see it. We'll start, so not only you have to validate picking up the key will set the right key, but that saving will also set the correct key, and then loading will load the correct key. And that's what this video. I'll do the first one for you, and then you guys can know that I suffered all night long. As you can tell, bottom right, it's 9 p.m. right now. All night long, so there's jump key. This one I know for sure is going to save properly. But this character, this isn't going to work unless I have an actual character with an actual save file. So we're going to go ahead and load our little character over here. Oh my goodness. Get me in there. Yeah, I got to make like a little thing so I can type with my controller. So I want to be even more lazier. Kablam! Trying to load a weapon index out of range. Go away, sir. Go away. So for keys 0, 1, and 2, it should tell me I already have the keys. 0, you already have this jump key. 1, you already have this jump key. 2, I already have this jump key. Jump key 3 does not exist. 3, I got 3. 3 is 3. 4 is 4. 5 is 5. 6 is 6. 7 is 7. 8 is 8. And 9 is 9. None of this saved. We have to manually save this. Escape pod's still on cooldown. Alright, we're going to save our player data. Murder our player horribly. There's no longer a camera, but I know if I press start, I will respawn. Look at our save data, actual save data. Make sure it's saved in the correct places. So I'm going to do these 10 at a time. Alright, check our jump key status. 0 through 9 are good. Looking good, and we're going to make sure that 0 through 9 reload at the appropriate values. So right now we destroyed our character, which is basically like starting over, but it doesn't delete your save file. That would be horrible. We're gonna reload. I know I just saw a portal thing. Reload our player and make sure those 10 entries come back as what they're supposed to be. Password's incorrect. Oh my goodness. Alright, keys 0 through 9 have come back as the correct keys. I'm going to sit here for like the next hour making sure the other 90 keys, that's probably going to take me like 15 minutes, but I'm going to make sure the other keys come back as the appropriate values as well. So, yeah, and to make sure boop, we're gonna re-zeroize our player data. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how this whole save system is gonna work. There's gonna be unique jump keys. Something that's really cool that I'm planning on doing is we're gonna have like tiered jump keys, and what that means is I can do some really fancy things since they're jump prefabs or key prefabs. I can set them like this. We have all these dang jump keys over here. So let's say you get jump keys 10 through 19. You're in tier 2, I should say. We can give it a different skin completely. We can like give it like a mining skin, make it yellow. Look at that. Dude, this is gonna be so cool. And then like the next set of keys will be a totally different color. We'll give it the, what about, we'll go like lime. Lime would be cool. No, lime's too cool. We can't give him lime. We can't give him lime off the bat. give him the Master Chief skin, that nasty olive drab green, you know what I'm saying? And then 30 through 39 will be an even cooler color. What about Nurse color? It's going to be like pink. It's disgusting. I love it. All right, next. 40 through 49. Okay, yes, 40 through 49. We'll give it a different color. We'll give it like... Ooh, JP skin. Yeah, these are looking disgusting. I like it. 50 through 59. I don't really care what color they are. Just want some kind of variety, you know? It's like you'll get a jump key that's a different color and you're like, what? How did that happen? Diva skin? Overwatch? Yep, Overwatch. Cool. 60 through 69. We'll get the Hatsune Miku skin. Did I already do that one? No, it's not different enough. It's like blue. Trash. Angel. Angel's way brighter than the original jump keys. So you'll notice a staggering difference. 90 through 99, I want those to be gold. These will be the gold death sentence skin. Yeah, it'll be the gold death sentence skin. 89 through 81. We have 2 more rows left. Or through 80. We can do shiny skin maybe. Do red's cool. Red is super cool. But we already have something that's close enough to red. There's an elite nurse skin. It's like black, but that wouldn't... You would never see that. We can do maybe lime here. Lime is cool. Ooh, lime is super cool. But what about shiny? That would look really weird. Ooh, this dark black and purple. Yes. Yes. And then 79 through 70. This will get the lime skin. Yes, so now we have all kinds of keys of all different colors. And yeah, this is super sexy. Alright guys, till the next one.